we are in designing documents, and finally we will integrate all the documents with each other with different Excel formulas, and just we are designing our document. So I think this is not looks good over here. I want to set it on over here, and for this purpose you can go over here and unmerge and merge again. Tell this, go to here, Control X and paste it over here. No, this is not, this is merged. I'm going to unmerge this. I'm going to insert another row over here. Yes, this is inserted, and here we go. You can do this, and I'm going to cut this and paste it over here. Now it's look good. I think this is the right place for this. Okay, you can see it over here. This is look good. Now let's create our trial balance. I'm going to write it, name this trial balance, and tab color any whatever you want you can give. First of all, I have to bring the name over here and is equal, and click the name is, and should be here, just B4. Okay, and after name this trial balance for the period should be copied from here. Here we go. Okay, and here I am going to design this. First of all, I am going to write this code, short code, which I will use later, and here I am going to write account code, or you can say just code. And here I'm going to write account, and here type your debit and here is our balance. Control A, Time Roman, font style, and here I am going to format this, merge, trial balance, and here save your work, and then okay. code account type. I want to hide these all extra, and here I'm going to use this one, and color is table color. Okay, I think this is good. Go to view, grid lines. Our trial balance design is ready. In next lesson I will do work on trial balance and get the balances from journal.